Hello everyone, my name is Samuel and I'm here to present my project DeRoM submitted for the ICP Carmelo Hackathon. DeRoM is the world's first distributed and sharded AI network on the internet computer. It also utilizes Carmelo network for its consensus mechanism. So our goal at DeRoM is actually very simple. Our goal is to get different AI models that have been trained on different data sets and different in different fields, and we turn these AI models into a network of AI models. And actually, these AI models can compete to respond to user queries for economic rewards and incentives that are fully on chain. So the architecture of DeRoM is straightforward. We have this network of AI models. Each AI model has been trained on different data in a different field, and then we also have our own AI router that we have built. So whenever a user submits a query from the front end in our chat, yeah, the AI router gets that query, analyzes it, and then chooses the best AI model to respond to that query from the network of all these AI models that are in our network. So right now, what you can see on the dashboard is one of the AI models that have been added to our DeRoM network. And as you can see, it's an expert at cryptocurrency trading, meme coins, and blockchain. So we're also building on the fact, by the way, that with the advancement in the ICP network, AI models can be fully hosted on chain and in a canister. So what you're seeing there is actually the canister ID where that AI model is hosted. So if I go to the chat and ask anything about cryptocurrency or trading or meme coins or blockchain, our AI router will get that query, analyzes it, and then will choose the best AI model in our network. Yeah, that is supposed to handle that request. So here I go to the chat. I have another tab open here. If I say I want to learn about cryptocurrency, and I press enter, the AI router will try to analyze the query and then pick the best AI agent in our network to handle that request. So we wait for it, and then you will see that actually it has assigned the task to this agent, which has the ID of SKNDJ, which is actually the same AI model that was trained on this, like is an expert actually at these topics. So yeah, that's how basically the whole thing is. And once this AI model responds to the user request, it will be rewarded for its wonderful response. So right now we are going to add other AI agents on our network, and we do that through proposals. These proposals are submitted through the Carmelo network, voted on by different users, and once the proposals reach the minimum threshold, the AI model will be added to our network. So I will come on proposals, click there, then you see that we don't have current proposals as of now, and then I'll click on create proposal, and as you can see, pop-up comes up. We have to create a proposal. It's actually a cross contract call. So basically we are using the Carmelo network to call our ICP canister to add like a network to add a model to our network. So here you have to submit different things about the network, the model rather, and yeah, you will see that once we are done with the proposal, it will be added. So I will just actually come here. So I will get, let's say, the canister ID of the model. So we're assuming this canister ID, the model, our new AI model is hosted on this canister ID. This is the amount that it should charge. And it's denoted in ICP. So for now I put one ICP. You can put 0.1, 0.001. So depending on the amount that you want your model to charge. So model expertise, is the like maybe we want our model to be good at math. Very good maybe, or we can put just math, algebra, algebra, I don't know, maybe calculations, and then arithmetics, and maybe that stuff. So all right, so that's the model expertise. So meaning any stuff related to math, this model is best suited for it. So the input type, it could be a number, and then we just put, I can do maybe math calculations, okay. And then the output is also, for now, if it's just maybe a number, it will just return the result, the response of the result. Maybe I'm not sure what to the result of the request, right? So okay, so we've decided, we've specified, this is the name, the cross contract method, that's register new model, the canister ID, the amount it will charge in ICP, the model expertise. Then for the input, this concerns the model actually itself. It takes in a number, then the description, I can do math calculations maybe, and then the output, the number, also the result of the request. So after specifying that, actually you just need to submit a call to the Calmelo network, and then it will be voted on by the different users. And once once the proposal has been voted on successfully, the AI agent will be added to our network. So for now, we've configured the proposal to automatically execute, and that's why actually we won't see it on the active proposal, because it will automatically execute and add our AI model to the network. All right, so I'll just click proposal, and then you will see that the proposal has been added successfully. All right, so if I go back to the home page, you'll see that we have our other model that has been added on the network. So right now we have 2 AI models, and now if I go to the chat, I ask again, maybe I say I want to learn about math. You'll see that now it will assign the task to this new AI model that has been added, because it's the one that is very good at mathematics. So if I go back, I'll wait for a few seconds. You see that now our new AI model has been tasked that like with that request. So once it replies, it will be, the response will be returned to the user, and the AI model will be rewarded. All that logic is in our backend canister, which is hosted on ICP. So we can actually add one more AI model, and then we just come to proposals, create proposal, and then this time we want to add another canister, but for it, what should we add? I'm not sure of what this canister should be. So maybe we just say the canister ID, it should charge maybe still 1 ICP. The expertise is maybe this is an AI agent that can actually talk to other AI agents. An AI agent, an agent that can maybe route your request to other agents, right? So input maybe string, and then description, or let me see, or actually it could be an agent with expertise about maybe health and biology, right? So string, maybe anything you want to learn about health, right? And then the output still will be the string, and which will be the result, the response of the result of the response, maybe, of the request. Okay, so we also specify that, and once we are done with the response, we see whether everything is okay. So right now Calmelo will through its technology will call our canister through cross contract call. It will call this method, register new model, and supply all the necessary parameters. And yeah, once everything is set, we'll see that our AI model has been added into our network of AI agents, right? So we again create proposal, and then it has been executed well. And yeah, we go back, and we now have three AI models on our DeRoM network. So now this new AI model is an expert or about health and biology. So if I come actually in the chat, I say maybe I want to learn about health, maybe about heart diseases. Okay, I click on send. Our router as usual will analyze the query, try to look for the best AI agent, and in this case it will choose whichever agent is fit to handle the query, which in our case is actually the AI model that has an ID that has been hosted on this canister, which is the one that is actually responsible, or that is an expert on that topic. Maybe I can put, maybe even if I just put sickle cell symptoms, or maybe sickle cell symptoms, it will still route that to the AI model that is fit to answer the query. So in the background, once the AI model, for now we are still developing the infrastructure for the canister on chain, the AI canister on chain. So here we assume like once the AI model in the canister responds, the response will be returned instead of this. The response will be returned to the user, and under the hood, that AI model in the canister will be rewarded with ICP in our backend. And so that's what we are trying to to create as DeRoM, incentivizing and rewarding AI agents on chain for their response to user queries. So that is it for now, and thanks for the audience.